Looking for an easy, damage-free way to install your Ring Video Doorbell? Say goodbye to drilling and hello to the Ring No Drill mount. Whether you're a renter, a homeowner, or somewhere in between, this versatile mount has you covered. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Ring No Drill mount. Let's get started. The Ring No Drill mount is the perfect solution if you want to quickly and easily install your Ring Video Doorbell without the hassle of drilling into your home's exterior. The durable, weather-resistant design ensures your doorbell will be protected year-round. The strong adhesive mount lets you safely secure your doorbell to a variety of surfaces, while the easy pull-tab adhesive strips make it simple to remove the mount without damaging your home. This no-drill mount is compatible with Ring Video Doorbell 3, 3 Plus, 4, Battery Doorbell Plus, Battery Doorbell Pro, and the 2nd Gen 2020 Video Doorbell. Simply remove the existing faceplate from your doorbell. Insert the included wedge-shaped spacer into the opening, then press the Ring No Drill mount into place. It's that simple. Now let's take a closer look at some of the key features of the Ring No Drill mount. First, as the name suggests, this mount does not require any drilling, making it ideal for renters who may not have the necessary permissions or tools to make modifications to their rental property. It's also perfect for homeowners who simply want a quicker, easier installation method. The Ring No Drill mount is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Ring Video doorbells, providing you with a versatile mounting option that can grow with your security needs. The durability and weather-resistant design of the Ring No Drill mount ensure that your doorbell will be protected from the elements year-round. Whether you live in a hot, sunny climate or experience harsh winter conditions, you can trust that this mount will keep your doorbell secure and functioning properly. One of the standout features of the Ring No Drill mount is its strong adhesive. This mount utilizes a robust adhesive that ensures your doorbell remains securely attached to the surface. You can have peace of mind knowing that your doorbell won't accidentally detach and fall. If you ever need to remove the Ring No Drill mount, the process is just as simple as installation. The easy pull-tab adhesive strips allow you to take down the mount without leaving behind any sticky residue or causing damage to your home's exterior. It's important to note that the Ring No Drill mount works best on smooth surfaces. The manufacturer specifically mentions that it's not recommended for use on brick, stucco, or glass surfaces. When it comes to keeping your home and loved ones safe, you want a reliable video doorbell that you can trust. The Ring No Drill mount offers a convenient, damage-free installation solution for your Ring Video Doorbell, allowing you to enjoy peace of mind without the hassle of drilling into your walls. So if you're ready to upgrade your video doorbell game, look no further than the Ring No Drill mount. Click the link in the description below to buy it now and experience the ultimate convenience and security. Thanks for watching.